right. Continuing on with this project here. Dustin got his wheels and tires for his Ranger.
Show that here. I'll pull one up here. So we're looking at the clutch 33s on the Tusk terabytes. We went with the 27x9x14s. You got the sealant added, and then Dustin, you ordered these off Rocky Mountain.
Rocky Mountain, yeah.
So they mount them, put the sealant in them, all that kind of stuff, and ship them to your door for free. So he had them in like 3 days, 4 days. 1 day?
1 day.
Yeah,
Well,
day. So there you go.
we're in the same state, so they come pretty quick, but they promise 3-day free shipping on most stuff, over $75.
And I have to say, like, doing like a little bit of review on these tires real quick. These have been awesome. I put them on my, actually the same exact setup, a little bit different size on my Kawasaki. And we've done trail riding, rock climbing, all sorts of stuff, and I've loved them so far. They've been great tires, so I don't have any complaints.
I think
They ride really nice down the road, all that kind of stuff too.
I'm about to pull the trigger on some for myself soon. I don't know when, but
Like I just got a street legal kit, you know, I put on my UTV because we can ride them around here in St. George, Utah, all through town. So when I went from the Bighorns to these, riding down the road, they're a lot more stable. These are DOT approved, so they're a lot more stable down the road. They're a lot more stable down the dirt roads at higher speeds. I think they made a huge difference in the ride.
I like the tread pattern with the side lugs and all that stuff.
Yeah, all this is really, really cool. The whole setup here.
They're nice. I think they're gonna look awesome on this machine. So apparently we're on the hunt for tools. I think they're few and far between in this garage.
Yeah, pretty much, Dave.
We should invest in some tools.
Yeah, you should give me a bunch of awesome tools and put them in here. That'd be great.
That would be good.
That'd be awesome.
That would be good.
Christmas is coming up.
It is. Treat yourself, man.
No, you guys treat me.
We'll show you what to buy. Was it?
Because you told me you had everything. Isn't that
You
what you said, Dave?
You said you were going to bring some tools.
You said you had everything. Now I'm stuck using like a mini-me freaking.
You can do it.
What about my impact driver?
You got one?
What is up for my head, dude?
Some serious meats on these things. No, you're not. Dude, nothing smells better than a fresh stack of rubbers.
It's brand new.
It looks like.
Here, let's do a shout out to the wall right here.
Shout out to the wall.
Yeah, brand new. Start it up.
Sweet. Kind of gives you an idea what they're doing.
Right here.
Sweet. Hopefully we don't get any rubbing action. That'd be terrible.
Oh well, take it back to Walmart.
Walmart?
It's a Walmart. This is
That's
Toys
the
R Us.
problem. Just broke it. Broke the extension off in there.
So Dustin asked why we do it at my house. This is why.
for a minute. Oh, are we like going bogging or what?
Let's go down in the pool.
Yeah. Christmas time on Carriage Lane.
Decent fast terabytes.
Smells like cow dookie.
Got done putting the tires on, and before we put the tires on, we measured out at 11 inches clearance.
And that's with the bracket lift though already.
That's
Because
with
we
the
started
bracket
what,
lift.
about 9
9.
inches is what we figured out? Okay.
Yeah, about 9, maybe 9.25. Now we were 11. Let's see, we've driven around the block a little bit, so let the suspension settle in. So we'll see where we're at right now. Let's see there.
See, that took down an inch.
Pretty much though, right
Yeah,
at
about 13.
almost 13 inches.
12
Yeah.
and 3/4,
Yeah.
I'd say.
I'm gonna.
Oh, we got a formal guy over here.
Yeah,
That's the
he's
exact.
so formal, dude.
What was that? 12 and what?
We'll call it
13,
13.
16?
12.
Dustin likes to round up
Alright.
when he's measuring length.
Let's see what we got in the back though.
Back here,
Same looks like.
Same?
about the same, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, back here about 12 and a half. Let's see. Yeah, we'll go at 12 and a half back there.
So
a little
with the
bit higher.
tire package of 27-inch tires, 2-inch bracket lift, you came in at what?
You almost got 4 inches.
4 inches of
Almost
lift.
4 inches of clearance, which is gonna be huge because when I take all my kids, we're usually, jumping up on the rocks. We hit something, scraping, we're all clinching like that, hoping we're not taking out the bottom, but we'll
Yeah.
blaze through that stuff right now.
That'll help a lot.
Blaze through it.
So Dave, you've got a Defender,
Uh-huh.
and have you measured that, where that sits from the factory where you
I
bought it?
sit at about what he's at right now, 13.
So is there a bracket lift that you can do as well if you want?
Yeah, there's a variety of different ways.
Would you choose to do that or not?
Maybe, but then I can't get it in my garage if I lift it more than a couple inches. So
That could be a problem.
That's an issue.
All right, so at the end of the day, we can all agree after taking a short ride in the cold weather that these Tusk Terabytes ride 10 times better than
Oh, and they look great
these
too.
things.
Whatever Polaris had on there.
And they look great too.
And the look of them
They're DOT approved.
turned out great. They're
So
DOT
Rob-
approved, so when he gets his street legal kit here in St. George, you can drive them around, and they're
Yeah.
good to go. So Dustin, you have anything else to say besides?
I'm excited to take it out on the trail. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait.
So anyways, at the end of the day, you got to check out this Ranger with the blue and the black, and now the blacked out rims, Tusk Terabyte tires. This thing's sitting nice, sitting sweet. It's probably a really, really good improvement for Dustin down, especially at Duck Creek.
Oh yeah, we ride most of our ridings up in the mountains.
You have all the rocks and the
Trails.
trails and all that crap.
Yeah,
So
a lot of it up there, lava rock.
if you guys are looking at doing a little upgrade for your Rangers, check out a bracket lift and some new tires and rims, and get some extra clearance on it. All right, that's Deranged. We're out.
All right, peace.